from Marianne Ashley Design, and Marianne is an interior designer who specializes in kitchens and baths, but she's capable of doing it all. So we're here to talk. Marianne's going to help us determine what your best course of action is when you're selling your home, what design or renovation projects you should take to get the most bang for your buck. So
I think
where to start?
Okay. I think that the most obvious is probably paint. It's the most economical and most likely to be a DIY project out of any of them in the home. So first you really want to look at, do you have any old wallpaper?
People hate to take it down, but
yeah, people hate to take it down, but especially new homeowner. You don't want to have anything that's going to deter a new home buyer from buying your house or lowballing it because you didn't want to take down the wallpaper, or that you didn't feel like painting that red room. You're just going to have to take a million coats of paint.
Yes, but it's worth it.
It is, obviously. You're going to get the most turnaround and bang for your buck for that type of improvement. And always take care of the edges. If you don't have the time and you're already stretched and stressed, hire a professional. That's what they do, and they're going to do a fantastic job and alleviate that stress. The next one would be, I think is also an obvious one, is moldings. If you don't have crown molding, add it in some of the more important areas, like your dining room or your kitchen and your living room, the places that are a little bit more formal where you're going to be hosting your guests. And a really fun and easy cheat is to take a piece of molding and just drop it down a couple inches and paint the whole piece all the way up. Whenever we post the video, we'll post a picture for illustration.
Yes,
but it will
look in the comments.
Yes, exactly. But paint, from that one little piece, the wall area and the top crown molding, and you make the whole.
So you have two pieces of molding with a space in between.
Between it,
okay,
yes, exactly. And it'll make it look a lot more elaborate, like a multi-stacked molding.
Okay.
More detailed. But it's a nice way of making it.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. How about the bigger projects? Because I know people say, oh, should I redo my kitchen's 20 years old? Should I redo my kitchen? My flooring is looking pretty worn. Should I replace the flooring? What are your thoughts about that?
Well, obviously, there's a case by case at each, home has certain areas that is much more of a, that you really should do that. But going by room to room of what is your to best allocate your funds is typically, people think the kitchen, but it's actually the bathroom, specifically the master bathroom. Quick ways to spruce them up is to reface them, and sand them down, and new countertops, and maybe take out the shower bar and add a glass panel, something that really kind of makes it look a lot more custom and personalized and higher end without spending all the extra money, So those are some quick and easy ways to kind of do that.
Great.
Yeah.
So if you have, a specific scenario, obviously, Marianne, you're right. It is a case-by-case situation. It's best to contact Marianne. We're going to have her contact information in this post, so certainly reach out to her. And also check in the comments for some examples of what we've been talking about.
Yeah.
So hopefully you found that helpful, and have a great day. Thanks.
Thank you.